Goes out to all my ugly people. It hits a little different when it's true. Is that what you're saying right now? Somebody help me out. Help me out. Let me hear you say, hell yeah, I'm having a great day, I'm having a beautiful day, I'm happy to be here, I'm happy to be alive. Let me hear you say, all right, I'm having a great night, I'm having a beautiful night, I'm happy to be here, I'm happy to be alive. Let me hear you say, God loves ugly. Louder, God loves ugly. Louder, God loves ugly. Now put a smile on the front of your face, come on. I wear my scars like the rings on a pimp. I live life like the captain of a sinking ship. The one thing that I can guarantee, I'm a stepping razor. You better stay fair with me. Been paying dues for a decade plus. Before that, I was just another face on the bus. Tapping my feet to the beat on the radio. Dreaming about the mic and the money and the ladies. Oh mama, I promise I'm gonna be large. Someday I'll stop trying to borrow your car. Gonna go far with charisma and skill till they put my face on $1 million bill. It's just a 10-letter word. Discretion is the name of my cement-feathered bird. If they didn't hear, motherfuck whatever's heard. I think they got the sickness, now they better get it cured. Got me caught up in the mix of a bottle full of fix. I hobbled down the street till I reached Knob Creek. It ain't that I don't like you, I just don't wanna speak. I'm trying to find a balance through mathematics, defined by whatever you've added and subtracted. Pushing on the hammer to trigger the brain. Now put your hands up, Texas. Let me hear you say, God loves ugly. Louder, God loves ugly. Say, God loves ugly. Everybody, God loves ugly. It goes, God loves ugly. Louder, God loves ugly. All the beautiful people be quiet. Once upon a time in Minneapolis, yo, we had to paint that shit gold. I stepped up on stage, who is it? It's atmosphere, we came to steal a couple of minutes. And what's up with the way everybody gathers around each other just to hear each other sound? If it's all about getting down with the get down, how long we gotta wait for these fools to sit down? Appears more clear in its simplest form. Nobody sees tears when you're standing in the storm, abandoning the norm and handling the harvest, measuring the worth by the depth of the hardship. I welcome all the hatred you can aim at my name, held into the sacred ways of how to play the game. When the soldiers started running short on rations, began tapping the eggs to spark the hatch and make it happen. Take this captain to the gallows, keep steering them into an area that's shallow. Talking to my shadow, advised me not to worry. Said I should plant a tree and let them rise out of the fury. Give me some light, a little love and some liquid. I creep through the night and put a slug in your biscuit. When the water grows, it all overflows. I'll be off in Texas, holding on to my balls like God loves ugly. Louder, God loves ugly. Come on, God loves ugly. Everybody, God loves ugly. Okay, quiet, God loves ugly. God loves ugly. Now make some noise for the ugly motherfucker standing next to you right there. Widescreen, you can lose yourself in the widescreen. Life is a bowl of nuts and ice cream. Be the deer caught in the high beams. We're rolling with the brights on stair step. Reality is just too much to bear with. Paranoid, walking around careless. No wonder you're in love with your therapist. Go to sleep, my little time bomb.